clear to telal pa iswa mingin chibai ule tungkar chunga notice India UPC Kohhran Rawngbawlna Chanchin thar thlirin ilongai thang me ni somni pali atanga ni somni paruk chunga United Pentecostal Church Central India Unit Youth Meet Joshua Generation Youth Camp Hyderabad ane chu Mizoram atanga manpui turin General PYD OB Pathum General PYD President Pastor HL Ropuya General PYD Secretary Evans HML Somdong Lianale Pastor Silal Soma General PYD Treasurer Tele No Mizoram District Court and Fe Chuak Central India Unit Youth Meet Hyderabad Asirwad Global Learning Center Ania Mizoram Atangin General PYD Try to Tibaka No Mizoram District PYD Choir Member Te and Fe Chuaka No Mizoram District PYD Choir Tehi Karkalta Meni Sompakwa Engineer Khan Aizol and Twasana General PYD Try to Tehia Meni Somni Pani Toleni Khan Aizol Twasana Hyderabad and Panvele Ani Youth Meet Ahian USA Changin Chalai Walten Rawngbawlna and Neidona Pastor David Bryan Reverend Ken Garley ten USA Chalai Tehi and Ron Shuai Ani Tin India Ram Hun Shang Shang Achangin Oneness Doctrine Zuitu Chalai Rwal Chanem Tak Anfan Khombok Youth Meet Ahian Notice India Pualin Meni Somni Panga Zirtobni Khan Hun Siam Sakin Mizoram Achanga Kaltehian Hun and Mangani Rwamandan Tuan Zun Nikhat Zirtobnia General PYD Shuai Tu Tehian Aizol and Let Tang Shuai tu the program ngai thak chun zom ila General Superintendent Reverend Lalma Som Sailo chuan meni somni pali ni ngani khan aizol chwasanin Tripura apana Tripura District Secretary thar laguna program a hun mangin Rawngbawlna anayang General Secretary Reverend Arlarin Sang chuan meni somni pariat thochani hiang Kolkata pandona Kolkata a Kohhran Leitur buai puin hun a mangang General Treasurer Reverend Zoming Tanza Male General Mission Director Reverend Arlal Hoy Chua Meni Somni Pali ni ngani khan Aizol Chwasanin Bihar and Pana Bihar Ahyang Kohhran Hautit Lo in Rawngbawlna an Neni Rwamandan Chua Meni Somthum ni Laini Aizol and Letang No Mizoram District Mission Department Executive Chuang Kumin Sani Sompriat Atana Missionary Support Le Faith Promise Ne Te Khonna Thokin Rawngbawlna tu an intir Thuaktan Meka May June le July Thabor Thleng He Rwaman na hiana o don District Mission Shuai tu te po in bial tin te pathian ram tana Chanem ngai zola thoktur le ken lo pen to na lom thu an soibok No Mizoram District Encol Pentecostal Gateway Higher Secondary School Managing Committee tu Karkalta me ni Som Pasari Khan District Office Committee Room tu Khwatlanga nei ani PG School Managing Committee here Reverend Laltuanga Managing Board Chairman in Kaishwain Kumsani Somparia Session Metric Result nei te and clear leta PG no pangten Kuminsani Somparia Metric Result an neya za somriat pa sanom chwa Managing Board po atilomin zirna in nasazoka ma sonzel dan turan soi hau He Managing Committee hian higher zirtir tu te pay structure and nombaka high school le higher no panghar sajok tan po admission ti thei turin Rwaman na an siam bok Karkalta Zirtobni Meni Som Pasari Khan District Office Committee Ruma No Mizoram District Noya Pathian to Zirna Pentecostal School of Ministry PSM Committee and Chukom He meeting here Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent in Kaishwain Kumin Sani Somparia Chunga PSM Registration Day and Nehun June Nikata Program Hantur Te and Rwaman Bok Meni Sompakwa Indini Khan North Mizoram District Headquarters Kohhran Bua Sain Headquarters Biak in Anileng in Kohhran Chunga Department Shuai tu Rawngbawlna tu ten leadership training an nei he training a hian resource persona tualupa silal nun moya an mang ani Meni Sompakwa Engineer Khan si Pirbial Chunga Serkhan Kohhran le lungdai biak in sakte bial tu Pastor Reverend Silal Ramwan chuan tlo in Serkhan Kohhran haute biak in sakme kamhuna ena Kohhran haute malampana kal zel turin afui No Mizoram District Mamit Bial Chunga Luang Pol Kohhran Meni Somni Pentecost ni Khan Bial to Pastor Reverend K Vanlal Dikachuan Mithar Chung ko khatlali swaming Kohhran aseng lut Luang Pol Kohhran hian brother in dikan Rawngbawlna anei mek ani No Mizoram District Shuai tu Pathum Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Secretary Reverend Chiarpuya Treasurer Reverend Kelal Du Sangale District Mission Director Reverend Silal Thantluanga ti chuan tungkar kalta chung meni somni pakhat achanga ni somni pasari chung khan Dimapur Mission Field chunga bali pathar bia in work camp saktho ni na kalin work camp an nei June nili thojan ni to hnu dar ni hian lunglei district in thakhat o pathian tu zirna nei Pentecostal Bible School PBS chuan registration day an hmangdon kumina PBS kal tur hi tha ti ara mi pariat second year ami pariat le first year ami so manni PBSC certificate course ni in Calvary Bible College noya affiliate ni in zirlai bu po Northeast India UPC Theological Board in andwa mansak ani kumina subject zirtur le zirtir tu turte church administration reverend Steeler in tluanga major prophets and eschatology pastor Keller Raukima Bible doctrine chu le leadership pastor K Vanla Chwaya Pentecostal history le major religions pastor Jerry Lalmuan Oma tlabung le leite lokala seminar buasai ani meri somni paruk indini khan tlabung bia mission department buasain tlabung lokala mission Rawngbawlna tip thupuya mangin seminar am buasaya district mission director Reverend VL Muakan aman bui meri somni paruk indini khan leite lokala seminar am buasaya resource person atam bia to pastor Rawchung nongaren thleyan mang Meni somni pasari pathiani hiam pukpui bial Pentecostal Children Department men PCD Rahman nain bial chunga local shangshanga PCD nian mang PCD nia hian local PCD 10 item shangshang entirin shwai tu tem PCD titana foina tu chalian poimo na shangshang an soi kumdanga po he PCD ni hi pukpui bial chunga local zongjong ten lim takin an mang thina ni Meni somni paroka changa ni somni pasari chung hian toy pui bial PCD rally chu chua chu local ane me kania speaker atam bial to pastor Reverend H.O. Chua man mang Meni somni panga changa ni somni pasari chung hian puk pui bial ledi te chu sangawa Rawngbawlna nei nan fe chuaka speaker atam bial to pastor Reverend P. Singhang lian an mang Rawngbawlna fe chuak ti am bas pani an mang ani Zone ni khata changa ni tumchung hian lunglei district PYD conference in bial panga in fin revival nei ni se tia lo re langin sertlang pui bial luang mal bial puk pui bial then lum bial le bung hum bial ten sertlang pui hmuna an nei dona he revival nei na tura hian adol tu sertlang pui local te po na sa takin an imbuat saya bial panga atang hian mikhwal zatum atanga zanga vel kal turin anin beisei ani Meni som pariat atanga ni somni chung khan bung hun section conference ro re langin bung hun local abia revival in khom pui hlim takin nei ania palai mi somruk pasari chuang an kala meni somni pakhat thotan ni khan pathian ne na lom thu soi choi moina an nei chun zom ani Aizolis district OB meeting in Alorel to angin meni somni pakhat sang ni som pariat thotan zan khan Aizolis district chunga bial shang te chu zone nga chenin license holder te pualin seminar hlotling takane ani seminar nei dan tlang pui darlon zona zomun bial sakordai bial darlon bial khoruliam bial le swangpui liam bial te ni in resource person Reverend Lalmal Somasailo general superintendent tumhanania Reverend Rosanga Colony district superintendent in Telpui bok kokul zona kokul bial keifang bial saitwal bial kholiam bial ngop bial le rabung bial te ni in resource person Reverend Larin Sang general secretary tumhanania Reverend Dar Thona mission director chuana Telpui bok Sampai zona, sampai bial, sampai betel bial, khobung bial, khozol bial, khohai bial le na alam bial tini in resource person Reverend Zohming Tanzama General Treasurer te chuman ania Reverend Vanal Filaram Tiam District Treasurer chuana Telpui Serchip zona hiam me ni somni pani thole zan khan nei ani serchip bial serchip din thar bial islungdar bial vanlai phai bial thingchip bial le thingsul thla bial te omin resource person Reverend Arlal Hoya General Mission Director tumhanania Reverend Biak Sang Zwala District Secretary in Telpui Aizo ko pui chung bial te chu zu ni som panga sang ni som pria jir top ni anei tur ni in resource person Reverend Lalmal Somasailo General Superintendent le Reverend Arlalin Sang General Secretary te ruat anni aizo ko pui chung a hiam bial pasari omin chung te chu zema bok bial chuam pui bial bongkom bial bazar bial bethlem bial le Upper Republic bial ba ka mual pui bial te anom me kani Aizolis District PYD lakut pui organizing committee chuan district chunga PYD tan hlain puasia kan buat saidon kumsani sompariat lakut pui organizing committee me ni sompanga tholezan khan nei in evan sila chuanga chairman to meeting a kai shwaya kumin sani sompariat October tha a lakut pui man turatan lein puasia buat sai ni se anti baka lakut pui man turatan hian sponsorship mishang shang nena zon ni se anti bok lein puasia ka sha turte lahi solo sakchi le zai pola sakchi thelu the ania ashang revi a endik aniang mi pakhatin na pakhat aya tam po thelu the ani Aizolis district Kohhran member ta chautel the ani solo a sakchi labu le thuk tonic sulfa tel hi print sa inemo PDF emo word document format emo in thelu ni se athuk shia nan tonic sulfa ani lo chuan voice record ta thelu the aniang zai pol be khi sulfa part ki mani tur ania la phwa hi la sat thwa lo ani tur ani la hi hard copy emo PDF a thelu tur ani PDF wa thon har satan camera fia thata kim print la ka thalak thon the ani ming le veng khwa phone number chiang taka zia tur ani August ni somthum pakhat sa ni sompriya zandar somthleng thelu the ani anga hemin hulama thelu chu pom an ni lawang pathian la eng po thelu the ani loman zai pol le solo first prize teng sanga le sai te son second prize teng sang thum le sai te son third prize teng tha sang ni le sai te son loman hi October tha lakut pui man na sem ani yang thelu na turte evan sila chuanga chairman phone number 9862732493 brother la chuan sang and secretary 9862378921 brother lom sang ki ma chaser 9612074575 brother kelal biang nuwa district office phone number 9862996079 bong kombial penial PYD kumpuan sub committee chuan PYD kumpuan in tawdel bo zui na labuan siam chu me ni somni pakhat tho tan zan khan an tlang zar he hun hi bong kombial PYD ten local income program penial biak ina an neya hun toy man ni in Aizolis district PYD finance secretary brother kelal biak nu chuan atlang zara biak chunga local pani bong kon le ram nun veng thar local PYD te ne na labu hi copy som ve am present bok labu a hiang Kohhran la somruk omin solfa sakthei tur chi le khwang ni ne na sakthei chi au mani penial PYD kumpuan sub committee te kumsang ni som pasari chunga Aizolis district chunga PYD kumpuan mala cha pathum na lo la to in tuna hiang Kohhran alawin tawdel theina na satakin ma an la le me kani bong kombial ti hian me ni somni pakhat tho tan zan hian kumina atop na atan penial biak ina local in kanton hi mangin brother arla sang luran in kho ma kai shwaya evan sila ro pui ne na tengin thu changai thlag ani a limpu ya ram lum veng thar le penial zai pol ten zaya rongbawlna an nei local in kanton hi ama sabera ta march ni somni paruk tho tan zan khan ram hun veng thara mangin april ni somni pathum tho tan zan kham bong ko na an lo mang to bok me ni som ba ko indin ni khan ching chi bial then tlang Sunday school hall sak thar chu reverend si moi zwalam pathian ne na hlanin na hong he hun hi reverend arlatan ki maching chi bial tu pastor chuang kai shwain Aizolis district Sunday school director reverend si moi zwala chuang pathian ne na hlani na honga ho chung lama tung trai rual na nein tharau lam lanen lim takin hunan manga tlaya ruai lim takin an kil hau then tlang Sunday school hall hi adung fit somthum le awang fit som panga liana sakania district Sunday school atanga ho saktam puina andom ba ka Kohhran member te atangin sum enge mosat muni in na sakna nyan cheng noi khat chuang an manga ho sakna na nyan na tlang voi som pariat le mishing tha zani chuang an seng bok Aizolis district revival committee chuan me ni somni pathum ni lai zan khang kumsani sompariat chunga district revival speaker atur atan mi panga an la thar interview a hian district revival committee member te thu in deal tu mi enge mosa zinga heng mi te hi kumsani sompariat chunga tan revival speaker atana la kan ni evan mingchung nunga serchip cha mari serchip bia Krista tana sengkhom tu team evan h lal himpuya Bethlehem Bank tlang Bethlehem Bial Crusaders for Christ team evan vanlaram ha moya nalan thuthungpur tu te team brother keral doliana Bethlehem Bank tlang lalpa ha tu te team reverend h vanlal thana Salem Bank healing ministry voin me ni somni pasari pathiani chanu kham bong kon bia Sunday School Department buat sai impenial bia in bial khwap Sunday School zirtir tu seminar buat sai ani he huna hian resource person Reverend C Moi Zola District Sunday School Director chuman ni in Sunday School poimo na le zirtir tu mo phurna tim hangin zirtir na ape ani Aizolis District Shwai to the program. Reverend Rosang a call ni District Superintendent to General Mission Field to in Bihar Rawngbawlna Mek. Reverend Vanal Philaram Tiam District Treasurer to a many somni pasari Patiani Hian Upper Assam Mission Field Rawngbawlna Meka is the Mazi section Misaki Koila Ali Bia in Sakthar to Patiani and Ahlanin Nahong. Reverend Dar Chona Mission Director to Patiani Hian Sampai Biala Missionary Support Boy Queen Rawngbawlna Timtui Pui District Shwai to the program. District Superintendent Reverend Thanchung Asai Lau Chuan District Headquarters Local Ahuna Mangang. District Secretary Reverend Joseph L. Thau Thang Chuan Tial Dongi Lung Wal Pui NG Biala Khusei Taman Pui. District Treasurer Reverend W.L. Thangshe Chuan Siaha Bial Chunga Rawngbawlna District Mission Director Reverend Ram Thatzola Chuan South Lung Per Biala Rawngbawlna me ni somni pali ni nga ni kham bung tlang sau bial ro rel bo zui na in tuidang chwa crusade buat sai ania crusade ta hiam brother RL Ming Than Zwala Saudlung Per Bial POI Secretary to Speaker atan an mang me ni somni pathum ni lai ni atang khan tial dongi lung mun bwal pui NG Biala crusade an manga Speaker atan Reverend Dr. Lian Mang of Myanmar chu an mang ole khati jong kha tun chumata na Northeast India UPC Kohhran Rawngbawlna Chanchin thar kan clear le ngai thla khau le thei te chuan ni